Kids and moms and dads, hear this. That wasn't made of slime. Hi guys, my name is Casey. Welcome to Mighty Casey channel. Do you like to play? If you do, you are in the right place. Oh. got slime today and it's color green because that's my favorite color. And look inside, there's hair, but it's okay. And look, it's so slimy. And look, it's stretchy and I just bought one slime to save money. And I don't want to buy more toys. Because that's babies. Stop. I'm going to stretch this. From what? It's all supposed to break. I know. I'm just going to do something. I'm practicing something. The stretching like that I did. I copy from a movie something. What, you just play on it? It's not a game. Kids, be careful using the scissors. And be careful. Because it's so pointy this side. Look. Like, and then my mom is watching me too. And your mom should watch you and tell your moms. Or a chef. Cooking slime. I'm cooking a snake. It's a pretend. This is how I smash things. That's how I smash things. See? Do circles. Guys, look at this, but we're not doing this yet because I need more subscribers. I need more subscribers. That's it. And here's a cooking area. And I'm gonna cook some more with our friends. I'm gonna make fries, my favorite. No. Look, you can do something with this. Make it to a flat bowl. Then do like stretch it, kind of. Like this on your fingers, then look, you make a parachute. It's kind of green because this is green color. And this kids and moms and dads, hear this. That wasn't made of slime. Look. Wait, right here. Nothing. No, wait, let me try to make it into a tree then. Yeah, it's just a bomb noise. That's like the thing. Ew. Okay. Wait. Look, guys. Shout out to this, guys. Next, this one. Signing off. Peace. Please subscribe.